What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we are at the gym. Today will be bro, I always lose balance. Like when I start, I cannot talk and stretch at the same time. I feel like I actually gotta focus on it. But today is a back and bicep day. Yo, I had over the ear headphones on before I switched back into my AirPods. Like the Crusher Evos by Skull Candy, which personally, in my opinion, I think they're better than Beats. I was a Beats type of guy for a long bit of time, like especially back with Monster, when they were under Monster. But I don't know, dude. I feel like the Beats don't bang like the bass as hard as the Crusher Evos. Like that's the main reason why I got the Evos, because of the adjuster, like how you can adjust the bass on there. So. But aesthetic wise, personally, it's like when I have like my when I have like my actual headphones on, I feel like it just makes my hair look weird, you know? I just feel like the AirPods just look more clean, you know? Plus I don't got like a big band like stuck in my hair to like stick it out. But other than that, guys, I'm looking forward to this back and bicep day, just because I feel like that first day was more so kind of just to like test out the water, see how the program was going to feel. My chest and tricep day is pretty lit still. So I want to do the same thing like with my back, you know. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, let's get in the back and biceps, baby.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me. Fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach, waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep, all because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby, I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process, Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the beach, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the beach, full speed.
Biceps are freaking lit. Alright, so we just finished the workout. It is still really early. I just looked at my watch. I just looked at my wrist like I had a watch on, this dude. But it still is pretty early, so I'm gonna get back home. I do work today, so after that, my business partner, he'll get a little bit more free time, so we're gonna try to work on a little bit of the app, and I'll try to record some of that as well. So I'll see you guys later tonight. Alright, this is currently about almost 8 o'clock, about 7:55 p.m. My business partner just got online, so looks like we are going to collab on Google Notebook. He's been playing out with the application and trying some things out on his end, but he did have some family things come up, so we had not been working on this the past few days. But let's see what we are working with here. So he sent me the link. I'm assuming that I want to clear out everything else I got here. So basically he's having deep research run the best possible tech stack to deploy for the lowest effort and cost. So what that basically means is the tech stack is just a collection of technologies used to build an application. So when we're coding the application, it'll allow us to kind of run the code at the same time and I get updates and not have to share the code back and forth. Like we can kind of just see it from a server that we're going to build it on.
I hear you.
All right, there we go.
So personal workout plan next, beginner, 60 minutes, 2 days a week. So what I did was I took your onboarding document
Yeah.
and I just pasted it in here. And then it fixes it and reviews it. It has you tested. So what it's doing right now It's got a web browser down here, minimizes it, and then it codes in the background, and then it pops it back up and tests. Maybe I gotta nudge it in the right direction. So 40 cents for every million calls.
Dude.
ChatGPT is like 100 times more expensive than that. So Gemini would be the way to go. It costs like less than $1 for all this shit.
Like, is it an app?
No, it's a platform.
Alright guys, so now that we got that taken care of, basically we have a layout, a plan, a blueprint of where we want to go next. The best thing about it is we now have a plan that will allow us to integrate all the platforms together to where we can collect data and put that data onto the application once we do get the layout of the application built. So game plan is to continue using Google for this process. So we're going to use the Google form that we have, use that API to pull that information over to the cloud and publish that into like a pub subtopic to where we can kind of save that information that gets submitted on the Google form. From there, we'll start using that information and build like a user profile on the application once we get the layout of the application kind of built up. But that's where we're at right now, guys, and thank you guys again for watching. I'm going to go ahead and close this video out from here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.